Hi, today I have a little video for you. I will give you here an insight into Animal Art Club, my drawing school. It's my membership. I have created it for all passionate artists and animal lovers who would like to learn how to draw realistic animal portraits with pastels. I teach you step by step how to do that, my process, how I draw really very lifelike animal art. If you're a beginner, if you're starting from scratch, if you would like to try something new, a new technique, or if you just would like to improve your drawing skills, if you are advanced and would like to bring in more details into your artwork, then this is a community right for you. So I share my screen with you, and here you see the Animal Art Club Hub. It's our course platform or the homepage where you can find all the lessons. So here it's the start, there is a welcome video, then here is an onboarding information. This is for all new members. The start here, and then you come to some icons here where you can go through the onboarding process. I encourage you to complete your profile, watch the site to a video where I explain everything. Then here you can join our Facebook group and mark the important dates in your calendar. Is also a beginner shopping list, so you can download a beginner shopping list. You can go through the beginners course, and I have here a PDF where I show you different stages of your animal art journey and what content is relevant for you. Then here I give you an insight a bit into the beginner course. This is for all beginners, a good place to start. So you can here find a shopping list for beginners, what I recommend for your start to buy. Then some information about paper, pencils, how to sharpen your pastel pencils, blending, pressure, different basics. And then you can start with some fur lessons, black fur, white fur, yellow fur, the zebra fur, brown longer fur, ginger cat fur, and also some eyes for the start. Start with some short lessons, concentrate on yourself and your improvements, your momentum and your stage you are at the moment. So this is the beginners course, and then in the main homepage we have a content library where you have access to all lessons that are in the club. I've started it 2 years ago, so there is enough content in there where you can choose from, or you just follow the monthly new lessons. The monthly lesson for September is a horse, a chestnut horse with a leather halter. So every month you get one full lesson to draw an animal, an entire animal portrait. You get shorter focus lessons. These are great to achieve a result in a shorter amount of time and work on details, improve some special topics and areas in your animal portraits. This month we draw these deer antlers, and I also give you every month a background or additional component lesson where you can draw some background themes or also a bit of leather, metal, and such additional components in your more detailed and more structured animal portraits than in future. This month we draw a wooden path, and then you get some very short 15-minute motivation lessons every month. This is also fun to do during the longer lessons, so just keep accountable and so stay accountable and keep drawing. And we also have a live drawing session once a month. This was last live drawing session. it was a butterfly. We draw also here 1 or 1.5 hours together. And no worries, everything is recorded, so you can always watch the live lessons also afterwards. We also have monthly Q&A sessions. They are twice a month where you can ask all your questions. You can pre-submit your question if you don't have the possibility to be there live. I do one live call in the morning and one in the evening here, Central European time. But you also find a post in the Facebook group where you can write your questions, where you can submit your artwork for a review, that you get tips and help from me in the Q&A session in the video. So no worries, these are also recorded. Then I give you an insight into the content library. In the content library, you find here this menu where you can choose full portraits, focus tutorials, background tutorials, happy drawing hours, the recordings of the live sessions, mini motivation lessons, and different information about color choice, sharpening, reference photo choice. I also have here some past workshop recordings and a past advent calendar with some mini drawing lessons included. If we have a look into the full portraits area here, then you can choose the latest lessons are on top here, and then here are the past, and you can draw whatever you like. I would encourage you to start with an animal you really love to draw. What is your favorite animal, and what are you passionate about to draw? So choose your favorite subject and start with this if you would like to dive into a whole animal portrait. These are so dogs, cats, horses, birds, wildlife. It is a nice mixture of all types of animals: kingfisher, wolf, squirrel, this was last autumn, lion, horses, fox, duck, and yes, a hare, so giraffe, my little elephant baby, and the lynx, a sea turtle, so really all different kinds of animals. And every month this library will grow. And then the focus lesson. So if you are a beginner, then I encourage you to start with a smaller, shorter lesson and draw that at your own pace and concentrate on these shorter lessons because they bring you a result faster in a shorter amount of time. We focus here on different details like sheep wool, a blaze of a horse, or eyes, fur, so all different details and focus areas in an animal portrait. And then here are the background tutorials. These are for more advanced artists, or just if you would draw them for fun and do some background stuff and implement them into your own portraits. So we have here different things like branches, grass, flowers, trees, beach, snow, wheat ears, so all different kinds of background tutorials to keep it fun. And I choose a topic what I think you would need in your future animal portraits. Okay, these are the recordings of the happy drawing hours, so also some focus lessons we draw in 1 and 1.5 hours. A snail, a bumblebee, a little mouse, eyes, feathers, so all different fun things to draw do. These are always recorded. Yes, and also some mini motivation lessons you have here, like a paw pad, a lucky clover, water drops, cherries, so shells and leather, and you will get to them every month to keep you motivated. Okay, so this is our Animal Art Club Hub, where you can find all the lessons. And Yes, so I hope you like that, and you have now a bit of an overview of the club. It's really my heart project to create a community for all animal artists, for everybody who would like to learn how to draw animals, for animal lovers. It's my big vision to create this space for you where you can be together with other like-minded people, where you can connect with other artists and also learn from others. And so you are not alone. You don't follow a self-paced course here. It's a community. It's a place for artists where you can be together and keep moving forward, where you gain momentum and where you have this environment of other artists to stay accountable. Yes, this accountability in this amazing group. We are now over 400 members, and it's a great place. So I encourage you to join. If you're thinking about joining Animal Art Club, then please, why are you hesitating? There is nothing to lose. You can also cancel all the time if you would like to leave. I don't hope so. I have members here for the 3rd year. They are so happy and they want to stay there. So if you are a beginner, if you are starting from scratch, if you're thinking about joining Animal Art Club, starting drawing your animal portraits in pastels, bringing your animals to life on paper, this is the place for you. If you are advanced and would like to bring in more details into your drawings, just improve them, that you can sell them or make money with your art or start an art business, then I encourage you to join. It will improve your portraits and it will move you forward. You will learn a lot, I'm sure. And if you are discovering now your passion for pastels, or you have rediscovered your love for art again, you have drawn in school and now you have discovered that this is what you would like to do for yourself. If you are an empty nester and your children are out of the house and you have now more time for yourself, then why not starting drawing? Or if you are retired and you need a place for yourself to calm down or to have something to do for yourself, then drawing animals is a great thing for you. If you work during the day and are very busy, but why not creating a space for yourself where you can draw then, where you have to do something for yourself and create beautiful wall decoration, or also Christmas and birthday gifts for your friends and make them happy with your unique gifts, your own art. Every artists create unique artwork. Every portrait is different. So you can also use art for relaxing, calming down, and it really helps after a physical stress or a bad experience you had in life to have a focus on life again and do something meaningful that helps you moving forward and overcome that bad situation, fear, anxiety, and depression. I really have heard this from my clients, that art and drawing animals help them so much. So if you are in such a situation, please come and try it out. It will help you. Join this amazing community with other like-minded people. Let's celebrate your results together and move forward. Let's walk this path together. I see you inside Animal Art Club. Bye.